some parts of the valley are already raining, so just be careful on the roadways and make sure you have an umbrella handy with you. Overnight low is 77, and it is going to be raining a lot tomorrow and throughout the rest of the weekend, so just be careful on those roadways. Right now, partly cloudy, we're at 74 degrees.
This report is brought to you by Lowe's. Shop Lowe's Labor Day savings early and save $30 on a Charbroil Performance 4-burner gas grill. Now for just $169. All projects have a starting point. Start with Lowe's. Offer valid 8/23 through 8/30 while supplies last. U.S. only.
Good morning. Wow on the floor.
Corny white people humor.
Color.
I don't even that. I don't even. None I want to listen to. Enough. Vitamins.
I wonder what's a flower that blooms on my birthday. Corny name for flowers, forget me not.
How does it look?
Interesting.
Is it forgettable?
No.
I see a lot of those.
Forget me not.
Upload those videos on
So what is your opinion on the British?
huh?
What is your opinion on the British?
I don't care.
Let me put on some deodorant.
You have it?
Yeah. It's the same song?
Sometimes it repeats. Well, it don't repeat. I have it on there a couple of times. You know how you upload something and keep uploading multiple times?
Yeah.
And Apple does it, makes it easier for you when it comes to the repetitiveness. You upload something, you gotta be on your A game and be precise. Oh, those are little bus stops. Why you get the Winwood. But I think a lot of that have to you have to make sure you take a bath too. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna have to work my butt off. Pay this so-called vacation off. I don't know how I'm gonna get some extra days. It's tight. But, cut back. They do have some big restaurants though. Warehouse stores. There's plenty of them, don't they? But no laundromat. Let's figure that one out. Traffic here. Oh, look at that rainbow. You see it? See the rainbow? Watch out for pelicans. See the rainbow, Castle?
Oh, there's two.
Really? Oh, it is a
double rainbow all the way.
Must be raining over there. About to get a picture of that? Kelso? Get a picture? Can I get a picture? Hurry up. Make sure you focus. Give me two good shots.
Looks like it's raining up there.
Yeah, that's that same storm I saw earlier. You get it? Good grief. Twice? Well, damn, it's gone now. Never mind. God damn, it's kind of pointless to ask you to do shit. How is it hard to see?
Because it's so faded.
Well, maybe because you just took it.
I mean, it took you practically 2 minutes, and I'm driving slow as shit.
2 minutes. It took me a minute.
A minute too damn long.
Nah, there's no rainbow.
I know it ain't, because she took too long. I'm driving real slow.
Let me put on waves.
Yeah, you can. They're gonna be getting a storm surge. They won't feel it until tomorrow. Theirs might not be that high. They talking about, them people talking about they gonna be here for a wedding. Yeah, good luck with that one. I'll see. Apparently, that go the rainbow right there. Maybe you'll catch it again.
Where's the rainbow?
Oh, never mind. Oh, yeah. I know what you
Oh yeah, it's about a 4-hour drive.
Huh?
A 5-hour, 10-minute drive.
Yeah.
Without all the stops. Man, I can't believe you drove from New Mexico to Albuquerque, New Mexico, home in one sitting.
What? You
No.
sure? We didn't stop?
Well, we did stop, but okay, in one day, we didn't like take a pit stop. I mean, well, we did take a pit. We didn't take go to any hotel.
We did?
No, like Albuquerque to Houston.
I did that in one sitting. Oh, wow.
Like, well, you stopped a few times, but maybe only once or twice.
Oh, cause I said if we get to Bryan, I might as well just go home.
Mm-hmm.
You're right. God damn.
Oh, Albuquerque to Houston?
Yeah,
You didn't stop at all.
you barely stopped. Like, I can only remember you stopped like 3 times.
I remember we was watching My 600-Pound Life, and it took them 5 days from Oregon to Houston. I was like, it should not take y'all 5 days.
Maybe 2 days.
Well, you're talking about heavy fat people now.
That's true. They complain too much.
Can you imagine sitting down for like? Yeah, they had to drive. They had to do like 10-hour drives because it's impossible. Plus, you're making stops with a heavy person. Nah.
You drove from Albuquerque to Houston and almost you only stopped 3 times from what I can remember.
Yeah, I said.
Then we started talking about how black people, we drive the whole way or so.
Oh man, I can't believe I did that.
Like we left 4 in the morning and we got
route too.
yeah. We left 4 in the morning and then we got there at 6. It's like a 14-hour drive.
Texas is big.
Well, I think the only thing was when we was going was Dallas. Dallas did screw us for a couple of hours.
Oh, that's true, yeah.
I woke up to y'all complaining. I was asleep and then all I heard was you and Shug complaining.
Well, Dallas got less people than us, but worse traffic.
I think they got a train system too.
How they got a train system?
They don't really have a train system.
Oh.
But they need, I don't know if they do, but if it is, it's short. and add music to it. Cause I got my one I did in cause I want to delete them off here, even though I know I can hold a lot of memory on here.
I thought you just did it so you could record if anything goes wrong.
That too. But I wish I could upload them, you know, do 30 minutes, then upload it. 30 minutes, but I don't have Wi-Fi. Registration information.
I think I already did that.
When did you do that? For art? They sent me an email for visual art.
When I get home?
I mean, you can do it now if you want to do it over the phone.
I can do it now.
Okay. But it's in my email. You click on the thing and you fill out everything. Okay. I guess so you can get your art supplies and stuff.
Okay.
Man, look at them spindles. That one ain't working.
Look at them spindles. What is a spindle?
Kessa, really?
You got that little hook it up.
I don't have data.
I've been waiting for the day. You used up all your data already? Beautiful.
How you use up 8 gig data?
Pitiful.
It's okay. It's basically a wheel and axle.
Huh?
Or a spindle's axle.
It's an axle. I thought it dealt with oil or something.
In a sense, it probably does.
Oh, that's a spindle.
Psych!
It's something that helps spins it. What's going on up here?
Yeah, basically an axle.
Would not be no serious shit.
Or it's a verb. To impale a piece of paper on a metal spindle for temporary filing purposes.
Okay. I need to fix that.
Why
back on way. Wow. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, I was asking when.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't see that part. I thought, never mind. No, we're on our way now.
Okay, that's what's up.
I don't know. Yeah, trust me. I've been checking the weather.
Okay. All right, well, I'll see y'all when y'all get here.
All right. All right, dear.
All right.
Peace. You can put it back on waves. Put it back on waves. Put it on waves.